Hello guys, hope you will be fine. Today our topic is what is digital marketing. So let us start it. Before we start it, please subscribe our channel for new and latest videos. So digital marketing definition and example. We can play a music in background. Where is our music? Here this is. So digital marketing is the use of internet, mobile devices, social media, search engine and other channels to reach consumers. And which type of consumers you already know. So new ways of understanding how customers behave compared to trade marketing and what is the key takeaways. Digital marketing is the use of internet to reach consumers. Also digital marketing is a broad field including attracting customers via email, contact marketing, search platforms, social media and many more. Understanding digital marketing. Digital marketing targets a specific segment, the customer base, and is interactive. Anything that incorporates marketing, customer feedback, or a two-way interaction between the company and customer. In the parlance of digital marketing, advertisers are commonly referred as as sources, while members of targeted ads are commonly called receivers. It targeted shift workers and travelers with digital ads because the company knew that these people made up a large segment of its late night business, as well as on website that is knew its customers frequented at night. What is website marketing? A website is a centerpiece of all digital marketing activities. A website should represent a brand, product and service in a clear and memorable way. It should be fast, mobile friendly and easy to use. PPC advertising means pay-per-click. Pay-per-click advertising enables marketers to reach internet users on a number of digital platforms through paid ads, like many of social media campaigns on Google, Bing, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, or Meta, Facebook, and show their ads to people searching for terms related to the products or services. The most popular PPC platforms are Google Ads and Meta Ads. Content marketing. The goal of content marketing is to reach potential customers through the use of content. The tool of content marketing includes blogs, ebook, online courses, infographic, podcasts, and webinars. What is email marketing? Email marketing is still one of the most effective digital marketing channels. Many digital marketers use all the digital marketing channels to add leads to their email lists, and then through email marketing they create customer acquisition funnels to return those leads into customers. Social media marketing. The primary goal of a social media marketing campaign is a brand awareness and establishing social trust. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest forms of marketing, and the internet has brought new life to his old standby. Like Amazon have affiliate program that pay out millions of dollars per month to websites that sell their products. What is video marketing? The YouTube has become the second most popular search engine, and a lot of users are turning to YouTube before they make a buying decision, to learn something, read a review, or just to relax. Companies find the most success with video by integrating it with SEO. SEO means search engine optimization, content marketing, and broader social media marketing campaigns. SMS messaging. What is SMS messaging marketing? Companies and non-profit organizations also use SMS or text messages to send information about their brand, latest promotion, or giving opportunity to willing customers. As technology has advanced, many text-to-give companies also allow customers to direct pay or give via a simple text message. In addition, it's becoming more difficult to capture receivers' attention because receivers are increasingly inundated with competing ads. Digital marketers also find it challenges to analyze that vast trove of data they capture and then exploit this information in new marketing efforts. For example, it may require a company to analyze new forms of consumers' behavior, such as using websites, heat maps, to learn more about the customer's journey. What is digital marketing? Learn in 5 minutes. Do you want to learn about digital marketing? Yes. Well, before you go to basics of digital marketing and even advanced tactics, let's first go over what digital marketing is. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the act of selling products and services through channels such as social media. While modern day digital marketing is an enormous system of channels with which marketers simply must onboard their brands, advertising online is much more complex. The channel alone, in order to achieve the true potential digital marketing, by implementing an omni-channel digital marketing strategy, marketers can collect valuable insights into target audience behavior. Common problems that digital marketing can solve. To optimize your marketing strategies, digital is mandatory. Digital marketing can help you to get know your audience, learn important data about them. Problems: I have not optimized my channel for SEO. Regardless for your position in the marketing process. Problem: I am under pressure of the CMO to report on metrics that support the bottom line. Digital marketing support as a vast universe of metrics that can be utilized to determine the effectiveness of your marketing effort, but these metrics should be chosen with care. So guys, this is I teach you in briefly tell you in brief. So I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe to the channel.